Oh yeah, I've got something.
Have you?
Yes. Is it a bass? What is this? Conga? What is that? Hey guys, today we're down on Sandgate. It's very cold today. And the water is minty, which means it's mostly clear but slightly murky. Yeah, it's Dungeness over there. Today we're fishing for anything we can find. We're gonna lure fish for squid a little bit, but my dad's not sure there'll be too much out there because it's slightly choppy, not ideal for the squid fishing, but we'll get to that later. Right now I'm going to put the reel up on my rod, put the rig on, and I'll be out with you guys. Do you mind rebending this hook, please? See, it's a little bit off. It's kind of facing outwards. Thanks. Good as new. There we go. Okay. Smanky ganky worm. Here we've got manky gankies. Oh god, it is manky ganky. Slimy. It literally looks like I've been inked. Okay. That's you. And we wait.
That's my experimental rig.
Yeah, so what my dad's done is that he's decided to put a pop-up on one of his rigs so he could see if there are any gar out there. I'm not sure, but so basically it goes up and apparently it's supposed to attract gar. And what's the other fish? Mackerel. Gar or mackerel. Yeah. I do believe your pop-up's a little big.
Yeah, but that's because it goes right on the end. I'll show you. It goes right on the end of the rig, so it's lifting everything.
Oh, I see your point. But you can see the float out there.
No, because it'd be under the water.
Okay. That will hold. I just had a bite, guys. It went. It was really good. Whatever it was very powerful. Whatever it is that's still there, I have to be ready. Should I check mine?
Well, if you like, there seems to be a lot happening with it, does there?
No.
Any weight?
Yeah. A lot of weight. It might just be the ground though. No, nothing.
I don't know.
Nah, doesn't feel like anything. But congas are nerves. Oh wait, no, I do have something.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Happy?
It was for a second. Oh yeah, I've got something.
Have you?
Yeah. Is it a bass? Wait, it's conger? What is that? Oh, it's a flounder!
Huh?
He's got a disease. Nothing actually. It's a plaice or a flounder.
Oh, well done.
Well, that was a very strong bite for a flounder or plaice.
Turn it over, what is it?
He doesn't want to turn over.
It's a plaice.
It was a very strong bite for a plaice, guys. Maybe he's training for world's strongest plaice.
I don't know, he really pulled it over, didn't he?
Yeah. Oh, he's sticky. Is he a keeper size?
Maybe just, but I would say if we can put him back, we should.
Yeah, I don't know why I left it. You were right about it just having its mouth, but look at that lovely mouth though. It's like lips. Yeah. Anyway, no time to lose.
Are you going back up or are you taking him up there?
No, I'm not taking him up there. We need.
Alright, quickly think what you think. Find out your rod.
Bombs away! Oh, I'm inhaling oxygen right now. Well, that's good. It means my rig is working.
Noodles.
Smells very good. Sorry.
Yeah, but you get first slurp. Tell me if it's any good.
Well, first of all, it smells good.
What flavour are these?
Shrimp. 9 out of 10.
Wow. Okay. Cool. I'm gonna try mine then.
It's extra windy now, guys. Huh? No wonder I got a plaice. Extra nice.
When you're getting, when you're casting or whatever.
Yeah. It's so fun on windy days going fishing, guys, in my opinion. Maybe I shouldn't be putting them all the way up because I think that makes the fish or flatfish swallow it deeper, which causes it to swallow the hook. I'm not sure. But I do one like that, one like that. I mean, it depends on if they're going to go for it or not. I don't know, never mind. Let me guys know in the comments if that's why they're swallowing the hook, because I'm putting them completely straight like that, so they feel like they have the need to like swallow the whole worm at once, which causes them to swallow the hook deep down. Let me know if in the comments if that's why they're swallowing the hooks, guys. Because yeah, we had to take that plaice home because it wasn't going to make it. He just, yeah, he wasn't in good shape. Not a fish doctor, but yeah, I need to learn some skills so I know if a fish is actually good to go back in or not. Oh, the rod's screaming, turn back, turn back. Turning back is for wimps or sensible people. That didn't seem like a bad cast at all. Oh, but the wind is already pushing it this way.
Yeah, I'd say you've got to, whatever it is.
Good. Just a little bit of weight. That's a nice one. Yeah, I think he's foul hooked.
Oh yeah, it's a skinny one.
I know.
Look, like this, look,
Oh, there. Yeah. Oh, This is a nice, unique dog. It's leopardy, as you can see, guys. It's leopard pattern. So that's nice to have it ticked off. It's got a little bit of pink gloss in it as well. Oh, and look at that gorgeous eye. Yeah. Let me put him a bit. Nope, there we go. Oh, look at him go. Bye.
It's a tiny, tiny fish.
Tiny whiting? Or is it a cod? No, whiting. It's a pout or a white? Wait, no, I think it's a pout.
It's a pout.
Huh?
Tiny little pout.
I've seen smaller.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we managed to catch a plaice, and that breaks the streak that I blanked for 2 weeks. And my dad caught a pouting and a dogfish as well.
It was hard work out there tonight though, wasn't it? Cold, windy.
It felt like being on a trawler, except you could keep your balance. It was a beautiful plaice we caught though. Hopefully it'll taste good the next day. Plaice, they're okay. They're not my favourite, but they do taste pretty good either way. Maybe I'll share it with my dad and my cat. I'll see you guys next time.